Good morning, everyone. Today we will start to solve our revision sheet for grade 5. But at the beginning, we will make a quick revision about the first lesson and the two lessons. Okay. First of all, lesson 1 talked about solid, liquid, and gases. What is the difference between solid, liquid, and gases? So, first of all, we will talk about the meaning of matter, mass, and volume. Say that the matter anything around us which has mass and volume, and it cannot be created or destroyed. So all the time around us we have a matter. But what the matter anything, we say that the matter anything that has mass and volume. What's the meaning of the mass? What's the difference between mass and volume? Mass is the amount of matter is in something, but the volume it is the space taken. Okay, mass, amount of matter, amount of liquid inside this cylinder. Okay, a little amount of liquid inside the beaker. But the volume, it is the space or the amount of the space something takes up. Okay, we have to know the difference between mass and volume. It's very important. The second part, matter has property. So the matter has property, physical property and chemical property. So what is the difference between physical property and chemical property? Physical property, can you tell about these apples? Like the color of this apple, the size of this apple, the shape. Okay, all matters have a physical property. Can observe a physical property without changing the matter into a new substance. Odor, textures, and colors are some physical property. Do you see? There's a different color, has the texture. Some materials it's rough, some are smooth. Odor has a good odor, has a bad or noisy odor. Another property from the physical property, the temperature. Temperature is measure of the energy of motion of the particle in the matter. How can we measure the temperature? By something called thermometer. We have a mercury thermometer and digital thermometer. Okay, and we call this mercury thermometer medical, and this is digital. More property like the volume, like the mass, the volume of material from the physical property, the mass of the material from the physical property. Okay, so the first one is temperature, the second one is volume, the third one is mass. All of these are physical property. Which ball had more mass? Okay, which plate had more volume? Number A. Okay, but this we will know this by using a balance. Okay, but both of them is physical property. The mass and the volume or space are physical property. Density is another physical property of matter. Density is found by dividing the mass of an object by its volume. So to find the density, we have to divide mass over volume. Okay, which one contain large mass? A or P or C? Number A. Okay, the three parts contain the same volume. By the way, this shape for the solid state, and this for liquid, and this for gases. So, what is the difference between the states of matter, or what are the three states of matter? The first state is the solid. Okay, did you see the shape of particles? It's a substance with a definite shape and volume. Okay, there is a spaces between particles? No, there is no spaces between the particle in a solid state. So we say that solid state has a definite shape and definite volume. Liquid is the substance has a definite volume but doesn't have a definite shape. Okay, but the gas is the substance that doesn't have a definite shape or volume. This is solid or liquid or gas? Yes, solid. The particles in a solid don't move from place to place. The shape and volume of the something depend on its masses, its states. Yes, because the particle in a solid cannot move. It has the same or definite shape and volume. Okay? This is solid or liquid or gases? Liquid. Excellent. Okay, did you see? The particle in liquid takes the shape of its container. Okay, did you see? The third container, the beaker, conical flask, cylinder, both of them, the three beakers or the three container, contain the same volume of liquid, but the shape of the liquid change according to the container. Did you see? So the liquid has a definite volume but take the shape of the container. Okay? Gases state, they can move around without affecting one another. Gases take the shape and the volume of the container because it can be compressed. Did you see? It's a balloon. Yes. And we can make a compressed for the same volume and minimize its volume and its shape. Okay, it is the shape of particle in solid, liquid, and gases. Okay, let us solve the first part in our revision sheet. Okay, let us start. Matching question, the first one. Did you see? He wants you to make a matching from gas, liquid, solid with this definition. The state of matter that has a particle very close to each other. Which one? Number A, with which one? Excellent, solid. So number 1, it will be solid. Okay. The state of matter that expands to fill the container. It doesn't have a definite shape or volume. The see, this is a smoke. Okay, so it will be excellent. Gas. Number C. The state of matter that has a particle that slide by each other has a definite volume but not a definite shape. It takes the shape of the container. Did you remember? Yes, it will be gas or liquid? Liquid. Excellent. So it will be number C. Okay, let us solve the second one. Choice question. Choose the correct answer. To squeeze the gas to take up less space. It will evaporate, compress, or condense. Or in the meaning of the volume? Yes, compress. Excellent. The measure of energy of motion of the particle in the matter is volume, evaporate, or textures or temperature. Yes, excellent, temperature. Matter is anything that has mass only, volume only, or mass and volume. Excellent, it will be number C. Number 4. Mass is the amount of what in something. Mass or matter or volume. Okay, excellent. Matter. Mass is the amount of matter in the object. Volume is the mass, space, or matter. Excellent. It will be space. Okay, let us solve the third one. True or false? To change from liquid to gas, is a, how did you see? It is a evaporation. Excellent. It will be correct. To change from gas to liquid, it will be gas to liquid. It will be condense. Excellent. So the second one, it will be true. A physical property that describes how something feels, its temperature. Okay, no, it will be textures. Excellent. Okay, let us solve worksheet 2. But before solving, we will make a revision about this lesson, physical and chemical change. So, in this lesson, we will make a comparison between the physical and chemical change and make this comparison around the definition and examples for each one. Okay? What the meaning of the physical change? We say that a physical change is a change that occurs without it changing the identity of the substance. So in the physical change, no new substances are formed. What are the examples of the physical change? Change in size, shape or color, pencil shaving, torn paper or cutting paper, crushed ice. Excellent. Sugar dissolved in water, salt dissolved in water, painting a wall. We change the color only. Okay, so all of these are examples for physical change. So the physical change is the change in the shape only, without any change in the structure of the material. But the chemical change is the change that occurred, that causes the identity of the substance to change. So there is new material or new substance is formed. New substance with a new property are formed. Okay? What are the examples? What are the examples for the chemical change? Reactions. When the action happening, it is a chemical change. Why? Because the reactions produce a new material, like the oxidation. When the iron react with oxygen, it forms a rusting. Did you see? This is a rusting, which form in the metals, like the iron. So the rusting is a new material. Okay, sodium and chloride, it forms salt. Okay, salt. All of you know the salt. So any chemical reaction, it considered a chemical change. The ice on the lake melts to become water in the lake. So it will be so this is melting. Is a physical change or chemical change? Physical. Excellent. Cooling fire turned to ash after several hours. It chemical or physical? Yes, chemical. Why? Because it produced new material. A pencil is sharpening. In the pencil sharpener, leaving behind shaving. Changing the size only. So it is physical change or chemical? Physical. Excellent. A battery makes electricity to turn on the flashlights. Physical change or chemical change? Chemical. A bicycle rusts when left in the rains. Yes, chemical. Turn in the washing machine when we make a washing for clothes. It is a physical change. No new material is formed. Will be a physical.